In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to comment in Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your reply lands in the right place and notifies the right person. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. This takes you to your home feed, but for replying to comments on your own activities, it's faster to head straight to your profile area. Tap the U tab at the bottom of the screen. This section organizes everything about your account, including your recent workouts. Next, tap Activities. Here you'll see a chronological list of your recorded runs, rides, swims, and other workouts. Find the specific activity that has a comment you want to respond to. Often you'll notice a small speech bubble or a number indicating there are comments on that activity, which is a helpful visual cue as you scroll. Open that activity to view its details. Now look for the message icon, which appears as a speech bubble near the comment area. Tap that icon to enter the comment screen. This is where the conversation around your activity lives, so you can see what was said and reply in the same thread. Tap the Add a Comment field. Your keyboard will pop up, ready for your message. To make sure your reply is directed to the right person, start by typing the @ symbol, then begin typing the name of the person you're replying to. Using the @ mention tags them directly and ensures they get notified. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Pick the correct name so your reply is clearly linked to that commenter. After the mention, type your reply. Keep it friendly, clear, and relevant to their original comment so the conversation stays easy to follow. Once you're happy with what you've written, tap the check icon to post it. You'll usually find this check mark on the right side of the comment field or at the top of the screen. When you tap it, your reply is published beneath the activity and the person you mentioned is alerted. That's the full process. Open Strava, go to You, open Activities, choose the activity with the comment, tap the message icon, tap Add a comment, mention the person with the @ symbol and their name, then type your reply and confirm with the check icon. Follow those steps anytime you want to keep the conversation going on your workouts and make sure the right person sees your message.